Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you the soft static video look tutorial on CapCut. So what you need to do is import your videos to CapCut and then just go to adjust and follow this settings. So set the brightness into 10 and then set the contrast into -15 and saturations into -10 and set the sharpen into 45 like this, and then click on the edge cell, and here you just need to adjust the red color and also orange color. So lower the saturation of the red color, and then on the orange color add some luminance like this. Okay, click on, go back and then click on the grabs, and add the white color, lower it a little bit like this. Go back and then set the highlight into -20 and then the shadow into 25 and set the temperature into 10. And you are done. Click on the check icon, and here is your soft video look in CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. If you got any questions, feel free to drop them in a comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to like and also click on the thanks below and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Thank you.